Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Zalo app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Zalo app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.